Think your product packaging? It's too plain. Just one UV-DTF printer can instantly elevate your packaging with a premium finish. 30R UV-DTF Printer, your secret weapon for foil stamping. First, create two spot color layers. The first spot color layer is a full coverage design. Then, the second spot color is the gold foil area. After creating both layers, save the files in T format. Open the RIP software and add the files. Once RIP is complete, open the future RIP software. Click on Driver Settings. Add the RIP processed files. Click Confirm to start printing. Step 1. Print your design on adhesive UV-DTF film. Dries in seconds, sharp, clean. Every detail is crystal clear. Step 2. Add the cleanup layer. Peel it off. No mess, no leftover glue, just clean lines. Step 3. Use a laminating machine to apply the gold foil film. Step 4. Slowly peel off the film, revealing the metallic shine. Look at that shine! Not just pretty, it's premium. Step 5. Apply the B-film protective layer to firmly lock in the metallic shine. No fading, no peeling. Step 6. Peel the film. Boom! Your metallic sticker is done. Glossy, looks long-lasting. Stick it on the bottle and instantly upgrade the texture with a full professional look. Now you know how to create a foil stamping pattern. With our 30R UV-DTF printer, ordinary designs transform into eye-catching, high-end artwork that looks both stunning and professional.